Good afternoon, photography fans. I want to share with you another video about flagging, and it's a bit similar to the last video I made, but this time we are referring to flagging backdrops. Now I'll take you through the lighting setup I have here. It's a basic 2-light setup. I've got my key light, which is a beauty dish, and you can see that I have flagged off an area behind the key light, okay? Now the reason I flagged that off is so that this fill light, which is a hard light source, you can see it's a small reflector with a small strobe. It's got a little bit of diffusion on the front, but that's just to soften the effect of the shadow. Now, what happens is the small light source comes in and it casts onto these flags, and it flags off an L-shaped area across my grey backdrop there. So what you have in the end is a nice gradient that appears across the backdrop. And you see this a lot in Dan Winter's work, and you also see it in work from Marco Grob, but definitely it's one of Dan's signature techniques. And I'm not ashamed to copy the masters. They are much better than I am, and I'm trying to learn from these guys. But what I like with Dan's work is he has mixed the 2 light types. He's mixed the hard light up there, and he's mixed the soft light, which is here. Well, a beauty dish like this, at this angle and this distance, it's going to be a soft to medium quality of light. So just a couple of tips with this system. If you want to change the angle, or rather the effect on your background, all you have to do is raise up or slightly move to the side your fill light here, which is casting the shadows onto the background. Okay, the shadows are not coming from the key light, they're coming from the fill light, which is way back here on camera axis, shining down through there. So if I move this strobe slightly up or down, of course that's going to have an effect on where the shadows appear on the background. And secondary, you'll see I've got this sign up here, background flags here. That tells me at what location in my tiny little garage studio I need to place my flags to get the desired effect that I want. So obviously the closer they are to the background, the sharper the shadows are going to be, and the closer they are to the light source, the more diffused and softer the shadows are going to be. So I hope that helps you guys. It's something to think about with your photography. Try flagging off your backgrounds and see what sort of interesting results you can achieve.